Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this new video. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can create this exact same website step by step. Okay, you can see that this is a portfolio website. You can use this website for your portfolio. Okay, you can be a graphics designer, you can be a video editor, you can be a digital marketer or anything else. This is the exact same website. In this video we're going to show you for you. Okay, this website have multiple pages. If I click here at the right top, and you'll get the option to navigate to other different page. You can see that we have a work page. I'm just simply clicking here. This is our beautiful looking work page, and then let's visit the testimonial page. I'm just simply clicking here, testimonials. This is a beautiful looking testimonial page. You can add your client testimonial in this page, and let's see how our contact page look. I'm just simply clicking here, contact. You can see that this is our contact page. We have our office location, we have a phone number, we also have a beautiful looking contact form. By using this contact form, your visitors can easily contact you. Okay, and at the bottom we have a beautiful footer and a lot more. So I will also show you that how you can add more pages to your website. In this website you can see that we have 4 different pages, but I will show you that how you can add more pages and how you can change all this thing. I will show you how you can edit this text, how you and how you can configure this contact form and a lot more. Okay, so I don't want to talk anymore. Let's go and see that how we can create this exact same portfolio website for your portfolio. Okay, so for creating a website you'll need 2 basic things. One is a domain name and a hosting. I hope that all of you know that what is called a domain name and a hosting. You'll have to buy that from any of the domain hosting provider company in the market. And for all of you, I have provided a link in the video description down below, which will take you to this page, and this is best domain and hosting provider company in the whole world. This website name is TMD Hosting. The link is already given in the description below. Just click the link and this is going to take us to their homepage. This is their homepage. I'm just simply clicking here. This is their homepage, and after that you will have to click here, cloud hosting, and from cloud hosting you have to scroll down below a little bit, and then you can see that they have multiple packages here. You can select basic package, I mean the starter cloud package, or the medium. This is called business package, and for purchasing this, simply you will have to click here, get started. It's really easy. It's like purchasing a product from Amazon or AliExpress or from Shopify stores. It's really easy. You'll have to click on get started, and then you'll have to enter your domain name. The domain name is your website name. Okay, so let's go and see that is our domain name is available. You'll have to search here, register a new domain name, and if you already have a domain name, you will have to simply click here, I will already have a domain name, and then simply type the domain name here and then click on use. But I don't have any domain name, and I think most of you guys already don't have any domain name. That's why you will have to click here, register a new domain name, and after that simply click here and type your website name that you want to give. So let's give it facebook.com and click here, search. And you can see that this domain name is not available. Okay, so you'll have to select an uncommon domain name which is available. Okay, so let's type here bloggers of 2022. Okay, 2022, and then simply search here. You can see that this domain is maybe available, and that's why this is taking us to the next step. You can see that it's showing us a message, congratulations, bloggers of 2022, I mean 2222 is available for registration. You will have to put your domain name here, and after that if it is available, then you will have to enter your essential addresses for registering the domain name. You will have to enter your email address, password. You will have to confirm the password, first name, last name, etc., etc. And at the down part, you can see that you'll have the payment gateway option for purchasing this. It's really easy. I have already purchased the domain name and hosting, so I'm not purchasing from here right now because I have already purchased domain and hosting from them. Okay, after purchasing domain and hosting, you will get email address from TMD hosting. On that email address, you will get your cPanel address. Okay, the cPanel address is mainly your website control panel. So what you will have to do is simply type, open a new tab, and you will have to type here your domain name. Simply type your domain name. In that case, my domain name is WordPressFreebies.online. This is the domain name that I have purchased earlier before this video. Okay, and then what you will have to do is simply give a / here and then type here cPanel. Okay, so this is your website control panel, your domain name, and then /cPanel. And after that, you will have to enter the username and password that you have get from TMD hosting. Okay, TMD hosting will send you all that information to your email address that you have used here for your account information. Okay, so simply let's enter your username and password here, and then paste it here and click on log in. Okay, and after that you'll come to this place. Okay, this is the control panel of your website. Don't worry, it's looking really terrible for all the beginners, but it's really easy to use. And after that, you will have to search here Softaculous, SOFTA Softaculous, and then you'll get these options. You'll have to click here Softaculous apps installer, and then simply scroll down below and click here WordPress. Okay, and this is going to take us in this page. And after that, what you have to do is simply click this button, install now. Okay, click here, install now, and then from here you can see that this is our software setup process. From here you can choose the version of your WordPress. You can select, see that by default it's 5.3 right now. I'm just keeping this default. You don't have to change this. Okay, just keep this default. And from here, choose installation URL. You will have to select your domain name. If you have multiple domain name under one account, then you will get all the options right here. Okay, all the domain name right here. You can see that I have multiple domain name. I have one domain name called WordPressFreebies.online, one called Graphics Tutors, and other called Shoppers Point BD. But I'm not going to use all this domain. I'm going to use this domain, WordPressFreebies.online. Okay, that's why I'm selecting here. But if you want to use other domain name, then you can select here. Okay, that other domain name. In that case, for me it's Graphics Tutor, but I'm not going to use this. So let's select this WordPressFreebies.online, and from the right section, if you have any directory here, suppose if you see something like WP, then you'll have to remove this. Okay, just remove this and keep it blank. And from the left hand side, you can see that there is options called choose protocol, and from here select HTTPS. Okay, don't select HTTP, select HTTPS. Okay, and then scroll down below, and from here you can give your site name, I mean your website name, and here you can give your website description, and scroll down more, and from admin username, give a username for the admin. Okay, let's give a username. This is the username that you're going to use for logging into your WordPress dashboard. So after that, type a password right here. Okay, you can type a strong password, or you can simply click this key icon for generating a new password. Simply click here. Alright, you can see that it's a new password, and then enter your email address. And remember guys, this is the most important a part of WordPress installation. You have to enter a valid email address for your WordPress installation. You can see that this is called the admin email. Okay, so give here an email address, and friends, this email address is going to receive contact form messages that we will get from our website contact page. You can see that. Let's see in our demo website. Simply, if I click here contact, and if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have a beautiful contact form right here. And if any user types some messages and clicks send messages, then that message is going to received by this email address. Okay, so simply enter here your best email address. So I'm just entering an email address. Okay, this is my email address, and after that I'm just simply unchecking this. I don't want this. Okay, so scroll down more, and after that simply click here install, and this is going to take almost 20 to 1 minute, or few more seconds, or a few more minutes or less. You can see that it's already installed. It's take not more than 20 seconds. It's saying us congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So let's go and open this two link. This link is our administrative URL. Okay, so simply open this link in a new tab. You can see that it's opening, and let's go and open this link. Okay, this is the link of our website. Okay, so you can see that this is our website is looking like. Okay, so and this is our dashboard. You can see that this is the WordPress dashboard. So the website is not looking so good. We will have to make this into something like this. I mean, this is the whole website. Let's go to the homepage of our demo website. This is the homepage. So let's go and make this. So first of all, you'll have to do a few things. You'll have to click on settings, and then click here permalinks. You'll have to change the permalink structure, and then you have to check this post name. Just simply check this, and then scroll down a little bit, and after that click here save changes. You can see that, and then click here general. Okay, from general you can change the site title and your tagline. Okay, I'm not changing this, but if you want to change your site title or tagline, you'll have to simply come here settings, general, and after that type here your site title and your tagline. This tagline means your website description. Okay, and after that after making any changes, you will have to click here save changes. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is simply installing a new theme. Okay, so simply click here. So what is a theme exactly is? A theme is the whole look of your WordPress website. You can see that this is the current look of our website. Okay, and if I come here appearance and click here on themes, you can see that we have 3 different themes by default that comes with WordPress. Okay, but unfortunately we are not going to use any of this. Okay, so I'm just simply clicking here theme details, and then simply click here delete. So I'm just deleting this, and then let's go and delete this one also. Click on delete. And after that you can see that we have only one theme that we are using. So let's go and see that how we can add a new theme. For adding a new theme, you will have to click here add new. Okay, and from add new, you can see that here's a lots of different themes available in the WordPress repository. So I'm going to use one of the most popular WordPress theme. So that theme name is Astra. So what you will have to do is simply search here for Astra. Here, type here Astra, A-S-T-R-A, and don't forget to make sure that you have the internet connection with your device. Okay, and after that you can see that here is Astra. Simply click here Astra. So click here install, and then activate this theme. Okay, so you can see that the theme already activated, and it's telling us thank you for installing Astra, and then click here get started. Okay, it's activating. You can see that. All right, and after that select Elementor from here, okay? And then you can see that you'll be redirected to this page, and from here click on this drop down and then click here free, okay? And after that scroll down a little bit and select this one, freelance copyright, okay? Simply click here, and after that import complete site, click here, import complete site. You can see that it's importing. This is going to take a few seconds time, okay? You can see that it's telling us import customized settings, import widgets, import content, and after that click here import, okay? And you can see that it's importing, installing Elementor plugin. You can see the status here, okay? This is going to take a few minutes time depending on your internet connection speed. You can see that it's showing us the success message, imported successfully. Who read the website, imported successfully. And what you will have to do is simply click here, visit view site, okay? Simply view site, viewer site. And friends, you can see that this is our website. We have already made our portfolio website. You can see that this is the demo website that we had seen earlier in this video. So you can see that it's loading. It's taking a few seconds time. You can see that we have a menu here. I'm again reloading this. So simply reload this, and you can see that we have a menu here. We have work page, we have testimonial page, and a lot more, okay? So let's see that how we can edit the home page. So simply click here, home. I'm going back to our home page. This is our home page. So let's see that how we can add our own image and how we can change the text, etc., etc., social media links, etc. So for adding a WordPress page, you will have to click here, edit with Elementor. This theme is using the Elementor page builder for creating this page, okay? Elementor is a page builder. We have a lots of video tutorial in our channel about Elementor. I will put the link in the description below. You can go and check that out, okay? So simply click here for editing this homepage. Edit with Elementor, okay? Click here, and it's going to open the editing panel of Elementor. You can see that it's loading. It can take a few seconds time. You can see that we can change the images from here. So and also the text, description, button, etc., etc. We can edit all the things. For changing elements in Elementor, you have to click on that element. Suppose I want to edit this text right here. For doing that, you have to simply click on that element. So click here, and at the left hand side you can see the settings related to that specific element. So from here you can change the text. You can see that. So let's type here, hey, I'm Arif. I'm a freelance web designer, DSIZ, designer, okay? And then let's change this option here. It's almost the same. You can simply click here, and then you can type here. At the left hand side you'll get all the settings related to this elements, okay? Simply copy this and paste. You can paste it here, or you can delete everything, okay? If I delete everything, you can see that this is going to be blank, but I'm not deleting anything. I just simply keep it default. So this is how easy it is to edit an element. And if you want to change the color of this element, simply click here, this style tab, and then let's see that how we can change the alignment. For changing the alignment, you can click here, center, right, etc., etc. And if you want to change the text color, simply click here. From here you can change the text color. Everything is here, so I'm just keeping this as black or something like this. And after that, if you want to change the font family, font size, etc., etc., you have to click here under typography. Simply click here, typography, and you'll get all the settings related to this specific element. So simply from here I'm to change the font family of this specific element. For doing that, you'll have to simply click here, and after that type here Poppins. Okay, you can see that this is our font family that we have changed. It's looking really nice. And if you want to change the size here, you can change the size from here. Let's give it 18 pixel, or let's make it bigger. You can see that it's becoming bigger, only 20. Okay, and then let's make the font weight bold. You can change the font weight, and you can do a lots of more thing. Okay, so and after that, what you will have to do is simply click here updates, or you are going to lose all the change that you have made in your WordPress website. So don't forget to click here update. Okay, I'm clicking here update. So this is how easy it is to edit text. And if you want to edit the button, simply click here edit. Okay, and then you can see all the settings related to this elements, this button elements. You can add your button text. Let's go. Okay, let's go. And after that, you can add your link here. So simply add your link here. I'm just adding a link called learnhunter.live, and you can change the button alignment, etc., etc. You can change the button size, alert extra medium. You can also add an icon. So let's add an icon. You can search here by icon name. I'm just simply typing here simply selecting this check. You can select any of this. You can see that this is our icon. It's showing here. Okay, and you can also change the icon position. Do you want this icon at the left side or at the right side? If you want this at the left side, then keep it default before, and if you want this icon at the right side of the text, then simply click here after. Okay, and you can also change the icon spacing, and you can do lots of more stuffs. Okay, so this is how you can edit the page. And if you want to change this image right here, you'll have to click here this edit section. Okay, and from here click on style, and after that you will get the option to change your image. You will have to simply click here, choose image, and from here you can upload your images. Okay, for uploading an images, you will have to simply click on select files. Okay, I'm not uploading an image right now, so I'm just simply cutting this. Okay, and then after completing the uploading, you will have to click here insert media. Okay, I'm not doing that, so I'm just simply closing this. Simply click here, and I'm just updating this. Okay, you can see. So let's go and view our website. Let's preview changes. You can see our new option here called preview changes. Click here this eye icon when you're in this mode, editing mode. You can see that this is our website right now. You can edit the page. So let's see that how we can add a new page. So for adding a new page, simply click here new. But before adding a new page, you can ask me that how we will change other pages. Like you have already seen that how we can edit this home page, but how we can edit all other pages like work, testimonial, contact. It's really easy. Suppose you want to change the testimonial page. For that, simply click on that page. Okay, so you will have to visit the page first, and then you can see that this is our testimonial page, and as our home page, you will get the exact same option, edit with Elementor. Okay, you will have to simply click here, and you will get all the options related to your testimonial page. Okay, you can edit all the text, images, etc., etc. from here. Okay, so I'm not showing this because you'll be able to do that. It's really easy. Okay, if you can edit the home page, you can easily edit all the other pages. So let's see that how we can add a new page. So simply for adding a new page, you can simply hover over new and then simply click on page, or you can go back to your WordPress dashboard. You can simply hover at the left hand side of your navigation, WordPress navigation, and then you will get a new link called add new. Simply click here, and this is going to give you a new options for adding your new pages, simply click here. Okay, and then here you will have to add the page title. So let's give the page title. Let's give it portfolio services, SERVICE services, and after that simply click on publish and then publish. Alright, let's view the page. Let's see that how is this page is looking. You can see that this is our page. It's looking not so good. Okay, so let's see that how we can remove this title and how we can add a new design to this services page. So it's really easy. So go back to our services page, and from here I'm just closing this panel, and after that let's scroll down a little bit and then click on disable title, disable primary header. Okay, and then click on update and then go back to our front end and then reload this page. Okay, you can see that this is how it is looking right now. And after that simply click on edit with Elementor. Okay, go back to your WordPress dashboard here. Okay, and then click on edit with Elementor. You can see that this is loading the Elementor page builder. It's almost like editing a page. Okay, it's really easy, and this is how easy. And after that simply you can click here starter templates, and then from here you can import any of their pre-made template. So simply I'm just clicking here blocks. I don't want to import pre-made pages, and then suppose I want to import a services block from here. So click here from all, you can filter the services blocks. I'm just filtering this, and then let's import this services block. Simply click here, and then this is going to preview the services block. Okay, and from here you can see that this is the look of the services block. You will have to simply click here import block. You can see that it's importing. It's really easy. Okay, you can see that this is our imported block. It's how easy to create a new pages. You can see that. And after that don't forget to click here update. Okay, and then go to the front end and then reload, and you can see that this is our services page. Okay, so this is how you can add a new page to your WordPress website. So let's go and preview the website for last time. I'm just simply reloading this, and the last thing I want to show you that how you can add a new item to your menu. Okay, so for doing that simply go back to your WordPress dashboard. I'm just simply closing all this, and from here I'm just clicking dashboard. I'm just opening this link in a new tab, and after that simply click on appearance and menus. Okay, and from here for adding a new item to your menu simply add the item. I want to add this services page. Okay, you can see that under add menu items we have pages, we have post. You can also add post to your menu. Okay, and then simply I'm just adding pages. I'm just checking this for adding this item to our menu. Check this and click here add to menu. Okay, and then you can drag it up, down, right. If you want, if you drag this at the right, then this is going to be a drop down menu. Okay, so I'm just simply going at the top under home and simply clicking here save menu. Okay, so save menu. After saving this simply reload this, and from here simply click on services. Okay, you can see that this is our services page. Okay, if you want to go back simply you can click here. So that's how easy it is to create a portfolio website. You can do almost everything with this. Okay, so see you in the next video tutorial, and if you like this video then give it a thumbs up, and if you face any problem comment down below, and if you need WordPress professional services or you want to build a professional portfolio website and you want to hire someone, then you can contact with us. And Don't forget to subscribe our channel because we upload regular video tutorials about WordPress, Laravel, etc., a lot more. We have more than 1000 plus videos in our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video. So goodbye.